Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be trading on pocket option using an indicator strategy with Signal VFX Alert Pro. Watch this video until it's finished so you don't fail to understand in this video. There is less market noise on the 5-minute time frame than on the first. Scalping is calmer, there is time to analyze the situation and open options correctly. Considering RU basic trading files, the larger the time frame binary options signals, the more profitable the trades. The strategy uses a classic combination of two overbought-oversold stochastic oscillators with different periods. Stochastic is slow with period 14. Determine the medium-term trend for the working time frame. It will be the first signal of the start of a reversal or continuation of the price movement. A fast stochastic with 9 periods suggests momentum in the direction of the trend for the next 3 or 5 candles. You can open options after confirming binary options signal from VFX Alert Service. After installing the indicators on the binary options chart, we see examples of signals. On the trading signals screen and open options when the following conditions are met. Call options. The chart shows an uptrend or bullish reversal. All oscillators have left the oversold zone above level 20 or are in the overbought zone. Take your pick. Otherwise, the chart shows a downtrend or a downside reversal. All oscillators have exited the overbought zone below the 80 level or are in the oversold zone.
you.